Good morning, children. Now we are going to see English subject for second standard. Term 2 portion, children. Take page number 65. Page number 65. All of you take, children. See here, listen and circle the words that your teacher says. You should listen and circle the words. See here. 2 baby birds live in a nest with their mother. Circle the word nest, children. N-E-S-T, nest. Mother. Circle the word mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. At first, they both eat small worms. First, circle the word first. Circle the word small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Circle the word worms. W-O-R-M-S, worms. The next line. Then they both play to have fun. Circle the word then. T-H-E-N, then. Both. Circle the word both. B-O-T-H, both. Fun. F-U-N, fun. Circle the word fun. Next line. Soon both fly away after a month. Circle the word soon. S-O-O-N, soon. Circle the word fly. F-L-Y, fly. Circle the word month. M-O-N-T-H, month. Read and color the odd pair. See here some pair is given. Rhyming words. Fly, sky. Tie, lie. Side, tide. Shy and tail. That is not rhyming word. So you should color the odd one. See here. Read and color the odd pair. See here, fly. Fly and sky. Tie, lie. Then side, tide. The odd one is, see here, shy, tail. You circle this one. This is odd one. You color this one. Okay. Then next one you see, R-I-C-E, rice. M-A-D-E, made. Then next one, my, by. Cry, fry. See, which one is odd one? See, me, my, by, same only rhyming words. Cry, fry, rhyming words. See here, rice, made is not same. Okay, not rhyming. That one is not a rhyming word. So, color this one. See, line. L-I-N-E, line. F-I-N-E, fine. See here, I-N-E, I-N-E. So, rhyming word. D-I-E, die. Then, T-A-P-E, tape. Then, name. N-A-M-E, name. Tide, T-I-D-E, tide. Then, M-I-M-E, mine. Lime, L-I-M-E, lime. See here, which one is odd one? Fine, line is rhyming word. Die and tape is odd one. This is not a rhyming word. The name and tide is different. So, this is not. So, you color this one. These two you color. Okay. Next one, fill in the blanks. Number 6. Fill in the blanks. In a basket there are 4 apples. See here, in a basket there is 4. How many apples? 3 apples is there. Okay, then oranges 4 orange is there. 4 orange is there. This is orange. Then banana, 2 banana is there. See, A, T, H, E, R, E. There, dash, T, H, R, E, E. 3 apples. A, P, P, L, E, S. Apples. B, 2 bananas. TWO 2, BANANAS. Bananas. Then C, 3 dash is there. Oranges. 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 See children, there what will come? For there R will come. ARER. In the dash, see here, you write in the dash, there are. There are how many bananas? 2 bananas. Plural. So there are 2 bananas. Here there are ARER. How many oranges is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write here 4. There are 4 oranges. See here in first dash R is there. So in 2 dash there are will come. There are 2 bananas. Here 3 dash is there. There are 4 oranges. So you write in the page number 65. You write in this 4 line dashes. You write this one. There are, and there are 4. You write in the dash. Next one, we can see wonders of the jungle in page number 67. Otherwise, okay children, we will see the classwork exercises. Okay, question answers we can see for this lesson. The wonders in jungles we can see in the next class. First we can finish the classworks. All of you take English classwork. Right? The lesson name, one bun runs. RUNS. All of you take your English classwork and write. Opposites. You can write Roman letter 1, opposites. First one is big. Big opposite small. 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 Like. LIKE. Like, dislike. 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 Heavy. 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 Light. 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 Strong. 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 Stronger இருப்பாங்கல்ல. Weak. 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 Big, small, light, dislike, heavy, light. Heavy na weight ஆ இருக்குது. Light. Then strong, weak. Now Roman letter 2 plurals. First one is bun. Buns. 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 Second one fox. 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 Foxes. 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 Then frog. 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 Frogs. FROGS. You should write yes. Pig. 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 Pigs. 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 4 children. Take your classwork and write. Finished? Roman letter 3. Past tense. First one is, all of you take your class work, children. R-U-N. Run, ran. R-A-N. Ran. Fly. F-L-Y. Fly. Flew. F-L-E-W. Flew. Jump. J-U-M-P. Jump. Jumped. J-U-M-P-E-D. Jumped. Catch. C-A-T-C-H. Catch. Caught. C-A-U-G-H-T. Caught. E-A-T. Eat. A-T-E. Ate. Past tense. Then we can see the question answers. Finish, children. Question and answers. First one, who are all the animals tried to catch the buns? Who, W-H-O, who, A-R-A-R, A-L-L, all, the, T-H-E, the, animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, who are all the animals tried, T-R-I-E-D, tried to, C-A-T-C-H, catch the bun. Say who, children? First, pig. One bun fall off, jumped and fall off from the plate. Then who tried to catch? The bun ran from the pig. Pig tried to catch, then rat came, then goat, then pub, then frog. And fox also tried to catch the bun. P-I-G, pig. R-A-T, rat. Then G-O-A-T, goat. Then P-U-B, pub. Then frog. F-R-O-G, frog, and fox. Fox also tried. Second one. At last, who jumped and ate the bun? At last, W-H-O, who jumps, J-U-M-P-S, jumps and eats the bun, B-U-N, bun. At last, frog jumps and eats the bun. At last, the frog, fox, F-O-X, fox. At last, the fox jumps and eats the bun, B-U-N, bun. இவங்கெல்லாம் ட்ரை பண்ணாங்க. pig, rat, goat, pug, frog and fox all tried to catch the bun. In the last, fox only jumps on the bun and eat the bun. At last, the fox jumps and eats the bun. This is the answer. 2 question answer, children. Finish, children. Now we can see the next lesson, Wonders of Jungle. Page number 67. W-O-N-D-E-R-S, wonders of the, what and all wonders is there in the jungle? That only wonders, surprise. Wonders of the jungle. See here, page number 67. You take children, say the names of the animals. See here, some names is given. You are going to write the names of the animals. You are going to say. Only they have given say. See the picture. First picture is what? What picture? Elephant. Next picture. See here, first picture is elephant. The next picture is lion. The next picture say monkey. The next picture is giraffe. The next picture goat picture. This picture is goat. Then write the names of the thing. Write the names of the thing. The first picture name is cup. See here. Write in the 4 line. C-U-P, cup. The next picture is bag. Bag. B-A-G, bag. Write in the 4 line. See here. C-U-P, cup. B-A-G, bag. You write here. Then match the action with the words. One girl is jump, run, jump, hop and sing. See the picture is given. You match it, children. See here. Run. Here he is running. One boy is running. So put a line. Okay. Then jump. Who is jumping here? This girl is jumping here. See here. Jump. Then hop. See here. She is hop. See here. This picture belongs to hop. Then sing. This girl is singing. Okay, children, you match it with this picture. Next, see here. Look and say. See here. Gar. G-A-U-R. Gar. Then rhino. R-H-I-N-O. This one wolf. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Then hippo. H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. Then giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Crocodile. See here. Modala solvalla crocodile. Then gorilla. See here monkey. Gorilla monkey. G-O-R-I-L-L-A. Gorilla. Then deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. See here black stripes is there on his body. Zebra. Then monkey. M-O-N-K-E by monkey. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Then lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. You look the picture and say, children, you read this one. See here. Look and say. L-O-O-K. Look and say. See here. G-A-U-R. Gar. R-H-I-N-O. Rhino. Cheetah. C-H-E-E-T-A-H. Hippo. H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Wolf. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile. Okay, children. Rest we can see in the next class. Thank you, children.